What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another fishing video. So today I'm gonna be fishing with the Cinco, and it's been raining for like almost 3 days straight, all day, 24/7. So this water is super hot. I'm gonna try to fish this. This drain is even covered, so I don't know what this fish is gonna be like today, but it's gonna be super hard to fish because usually these fish are clear out there in the middle. Now they're gonna be even further away out there. Got something. Got a late fight, a little small bass, but I'll take it. Make sure not to get a hook in me. Dude, this guy swallowed his hook. Perfect, back of the throat. This guy just choked it. Small fish. So now I switched to a wacky worm with a ring around it, and as you see, the worm is still in perfect condition. I know before I came here I was fishing wacky worms, and it was so hard to catch fish because one fish I'll lose my worm, and then I ran through like a whole pack of worms, through like 4 or 5 fish, and then I ran out of worms. But I'm loving this wacky worm right now. The rings seems like it's gonna help out a lot. So right now I'm about to rig up. I'm going to throw on a Z-Man. I'm going to be throwing a Z-Man chatterbait. Then with the Z-Man swim bait, I think I'm going to throw on, I don't know, like a swim shad or something like that. Let's see. Nope, 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 nope. Yes, I'm going to throw the razor shad, bad shad. Go ahead and throw that on there, on the swim jig. Not swim jig, on this chatterbait. Let's see if we can catch some fish or not. We'll keep that Cinco over there just in case. I'll come back out here and pick it back up. I really want to throw that cut that, scissors. Backpack on. So I really want to throw this texture rig on the brush hog, but too much of a snag zone for that to happen. So go on and throw this chatterbait, the swim bait. See how good we can do. I think this is what money right now. This presentation is gorgeous, black and blue. Swim bait right on there. This is about to be money. Looks money right here. Again, this is a Z-Man chatterbait with the Z-Man swim bait, bad shad. Let's go to work. This is a fail, total fail. This thing is just destroyed. The dirtiest bird's nest. My finger just slipped, tried casting a wind, and then bam, bird's nest for days. This line's gonna be ruined, but I'm just gonna go hop on to the next spot with a buddy of mine's, fish a golf course, and then I'll catch you guys there. So right now I'm about to tie on my old trusty Ned rig. It's so windy. Using a wacky worm is no bueno today. Wacky worm is not going to do it for sure. I'm going to try to sit on the bottom, maybe catch A couple bass, maybe a catfish on alongside the way, maybe also a carp. But a fish is a fish, and anything big right now will be a blessing. But let's see. Put this on. Fingers are kind of frozen because it is kind of chilly. Wet the hook. There we go. Throw on my little June bug. This is about a beautiful little June bug turd. These are for sure hard to get on because of these weed guards. Let's see. Nope. There we go. Got the little June bug right there. Let's see if we can catch him on that. If I don't catch him on this, then I don't know what to do because this is straight finesse. Really finesse. Like, this is hardcore finesse. Even more finesse than a wacky worm. I'll take it. That was right at the bank too. I know. Had to sit because I got really light line on here.
Oh yeah.
Really light line. Mine line's probably lighter than yours right now. But that's
Where was that? Like right here?
right there.
Right on the edge.
That bush right there, the tree.
I was fishing at that like 10 minutes ago. Fuck that.
What the heck do I got? Is that a bass? Jesus. That's like a rock hitting that. It didn't move at all. These fish are chunky. It's the same exact one.
That's what I thought. When you pulled it out, I was like, is that the same thing?
This is the same exact fish.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
What? Are you serious? How do you catch the same fish twice? I caught the same exact fish twice. Wow.
Yeah, that's fat.
That's the biggest crappie I've ever seen. I didn't know there was bass over here.
Yeah. I've caught one when we were over here.
Yeah, I've caught one. It was small. This is pretty big. He's super pale though.
Yeah.
They're on the grass over here. They're sitting on the grass. Way over there. I don't understand it. This is grass right here. Dude, this boy is chunky. So now it's day 2 of pond fishing. Yesterday, caught a few good sized fish yesterday. I mean, one fish I caught twice yesterday on a Ned rig, so that was pretty much exciting. But today, I got my bait caster back out, got that nasty bird's nest out, and throwing this Z-Man chatterbait, which is right here. This beauty. This is just beautiful. Black and blue. The Z-Man swim shad on there. The razor shad, I believe. It's either razor shad or bad shad, but this thing looks amazing. But hopefully I catch a few bass within 30 minutes and then I gotta head out. But hopefully I can get a bite. But this pond is not as flooded as the rest, so man, it's getting that time of year, about summertime. Once college is done for this spring semester, man, I'm gonna be trying to fish at least almost every day. Get to go back home finally. There's a couple rivers, so potential smallies. There's a couple local ponds that I know. Maybe try to find some neighborhood ponds like I did here, but I can't wait. It's gonna be amazing. Maybe go and travel a little bit, find some actual lakes, rent a little john boat. Who knows? So much potential, so much fishing to be done. Maybe pick up summer job for get a lot more tackle. Maybe pick up a Shimano tackle bag, couple more Shimano reels. I know right now I need at least one more rod for my other bait caster. Maybe pick up another setup. There's so much stuff I gotta do this summer. Maybe pick up, oh no, I definitely gotta pick up a charger for this GoPro. GoPro Session has a small battery, so you probably record for maybe like 45 minutes, maybe an hour if you're lucky straight. The battery's dead. I think that's not even half of your fishing day. That's not even 1/4 of your fishing day. Right there, if you fish from sun up to sundown, missing so much footage. So pick up another battery pack, maybe pick up a GoPro Hero 4 Black. Who knows? There's so much to do. First, I gotta find a job. That shouldn't be too hard at all, but about 35 minutes of fishing, 40 minutes of fishing. Didn't catch anything, didn't get a single bite. Again, I was throwing the Z-Man chatterbait on a bait caster on my Dobyns rod, but unfortunately, I don't know. I guess couldn't find them, or when I started fishing, it was around like 10 o'clock, so maybe they weren't biting at the time. Who knows? That pond right there is super picky. Basically, the fish sit on one side of the bank, which is the left side. So if you don't usually fish that, you're out of luck. When I first got here during the summer, towards the end of the summer, around August, you can basically catch the fish on the side I was on, but fortunately, I don't know what's happening. I know it's been raining the past couple of days straight, so that could be another reason why, or maybe this is just strictly a summer pond on that side of the bank, but who knows. I'm gonna try to come back maybe later in the night and fish somewhere else, but until then, I'll see you guys then.